How to fix msrtn32.exe. High CPU issue in Windows 10? Step 1, check if c:\program files, x86, \msrtn32 is available. If yes. Step 2. Scan your Windows 10 in its safe mode with networking. Here's how at https://goo.gl/5y4ih7. Via the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Disclaimer, any data files that are infected may only be cleaned by deleting the file entirely, which means there is a potential for data loss. Moreover, go to the c:\program files, x86, folder, c:\program files folder and the apps list and try clearing potentially unwanted programs manually. Step 3, check if msrtn .exe is created in hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version /winlogon/. If yes, delete msrtn32.exe from registry editor. Step 4, back. Your personal data like saved bookmarks, and reset your Internet Explorer. Step 5. Perform the clean boot.